What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Right now I am outside of the shipping container conversion, adding some of my furniture pieces, taking my time, getting things lined out so that way we can transport it. The furniture pieces that I'm installing are actually going to be stationary. I'm making them where they won't move, so that way when I ship it, it's like a model. You know, man, we can come in, bring our laptops and everything in, but the furniture and the way it's set up, it'll be stationary. While all we just bring in the, the small things, the materials here and there that we'll be working with, but everything inside of the container itself will be stationary. So I still have a few more items to add, but I'm getting things as I network. I've been using Facebook Market, Home Depot, all the above. Right now, as you see, I've got my futon in here, and it's a nice one, brown leather to kind of go with the construct of the floor, the concept of it. But I got a good deal on this, and it was a real good one with the cup holders. As you see, I got it where you can put your phone on that side and the person can charge on that side, and that was the goal of this, you know what I mean? So it's starting to come on. I still have a few things to do, but it is coming together. Just wanted to give y'all some updates that, hey, the shipping container conversion is on its way, and I'm building my independence. And like I said, when you're building your independence, you got to start small, but you got to start. You got to jump off the porch. So that's what I'm doing, building everything, networking, doing what you can do to finish it. So if you have to shop on Facebook Market, Craigslist, offer up, whatever you do, Home Depot, Lowe's, networking with people, buying things used, traffic and trading, borrowing, all of that stuff is good. So get your independence this year. Do what you have to do to make sure that you can get your hog on, and that way you can make sure that you're independent completely, and that's the goal. So y'all be blessed out there. Hog on.